Good afternoon. Bob Dalton coming to you live from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Tuesday, March 9th, 2010. Kind of got the type of trade we expected today, a little neutralization ahead of the report. The report's coming out from the USDA tomorrow morning at 7:30. We ended up having corn down about 6 points today, selling just below the uptrend line, and as well as support down at 370 there in the May contract. 369 was the last trade, down 6 on the day. Soybeans down only half a point today in that May contract, 947.5. Found some strength, most probably from the unraveling of long corn short bean positions ahead of the report, as the wheat was also down about 5.5, comparable to where the corn was down at 6 today. Wheat finished trading at 489.5. Again, Allendale has our projections out. They are available to the public. Call in to a broker. We will have an abundance of brokers in the office tonight watching the night trade, myself included. 800-262-7538 is the number if you'd like to talk with somebody about our projections for tomorrow morning's reports, as well as what type of positions we're going to try to take in the night market here ahead of the report. Dollar today up 15.5. 80.61 is where it's trading at the time of this recording. Crude oil down 47 today, 81.40. Crude was down pretty big this morning when I got in about 7 o'clock. It rebounded. We were about $1 off the lows throughout most of the session while the grains were open and trading. So crude did go down and test down below $81 today. Made a run for 80. And there was some buying support that came into the market at those levels, brought them back up above 81, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them keep testing that range between 80 and 82 for a little bit until we get energy reports, which are due out tomorrow. We're going to see the first round of reports. Thursdays we'll get additionals, and we'll go from there. However, the last 3 or 4 weeks now, if I remember correctly, we've been getting bearish inventory reports on the crude, and those are the days where crude rallies off the report. So be careful with those short trades if you're anticipating inventories to be bearish, because those will burn you, and they have for the last 4 weeks. Over to the livestock market, cattle today, we saw a little bit of a pullback in the feeders. The fats, for whatever reason, they're buying the Goldman roll, they're buying the nearby, and selling the following month, the next front month. We saw that continue today. Live cattle 94.40, up 20 cents today, and feeders pulling back, like I said, a little bit today, down 17.5. 102.35 is where the feeders are at, and hogs 72.40, down 40 cents on the day. So again, big news today is the anticipation of the report tomorrow. Again, please call in with your questions. Call in to talk to a broker about what exactly it is Allendale is doing ahead of this report, what our projections are and estimates for the report to say tomorrow morning are, and give us a little time after 7:30 in the morning, about 7:35, 7:40. Feel free to call in after we've been able to compile the numbers. We're more than happy to go over them with you and put a strategy together to help your marketing this year after we've seen what exactly the USDA is going to lay in front of us tomorrow morning at 7:30. Again, this is Bob Dalton. Hope you're having a successful trading week, and we look forward to speaking to you either tonight or tomorrow after 7:40 a.m. about the USDA report. Take care.